Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will review the best Ninja Foodi DualZone digital air fryer. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, then watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. Check in the product link in the description box. Ninja Foodi DualZone digital air fryer AF300UK, the ultimate 2-drawer 6-in-1 cooking powerhouse. Cook smarter, faster, and healthier with the Ninja Foodi DualZone digital air fryer AF300UK. Your all-in-one kitchen companion for crispy, golden results with little to no oil. With 2 independent cooking drawers, you can cook 2 different foods, 2 different ways, at the same time, saving both time and effort. Key features and benefits. DualZone technology. 2 separate cooking drawers let you cook 2 dishes at once with completely different settings, no need to wait or mix flavors. Perfect for families or meal prepping. 6-in-1 cooking functions. Enjoy incredible versatility with 6 smart functions. Air fry. Achieve crispy, golden results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Max crisp. Cook frozen foods in minutes with a hot blast of superheated air. Roast. Perfectly cook meats and vegetables for juicy, tender results. Bake. Create delicious cakes, pastries, and desserts with ease. Reheat. Bring leftovers back to life without drying them out. Dehydrate. Make healthy snacks like fruit chips and beef jerky. SYNC and match functions. SYNC. Cook 2 different foods with different times, temperatures, and programs, and have them finish exactly at the same time. Match. Use the same settings in both drawers for larger quantities, ideal for family meals. Generous 7.6L capacity. Cook up to 4 to 6 portions at once, great for families, gatherings, or meal prep. The dual 3.8L drawers provide ample space for mains and sides together. Healthy cooking with no oil. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat, using little to no oil while keeping that irresistible crispy texture. Non-stick and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher safe baskets and crisper plates, no scrubbing needed. Digital touch control panel. An intuitive digital display makes it easy to adjust time, temperature, and settings for perfect results every time. Stylish and durable design. A sleek black finish complements any modern kitchen while offering Ninja signature build quality and performance. That was today's review. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.